Press and hold Windows button and then press print screen. As you can see, press and hold Windows button and then press print screen. Here you can access pictures. Here you can see the screenshots. Method 2. Here you can search for snipping tool. Click it here, and here you can see new. Click it here. Now you can take a screenshot. You can simply save this, save as, and choose the desired location. Here you can see this is the photo we have captured from snipping tool. So this is it for this video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below.